Finally, I have you right where I want you, Jimmy's mom. I really want to spend some time with you and hold hands, but I think my blood sugar is low. Can I eat you? I'm sure you don't want to digest in my hot, wet stomach, but my mom says if my blood sugar dips below 50 milligrams, I tend to get gassy. Jimmy's mom looks up at me from the jar she's trapped in, clearly imagining how our wedding would have gone if not for our current situation. If only Jimmy's mom had noticed my feelings before I had to steal Jimmy's shrink ray. Whenever I get really gassy, my mom always kicks me out and makes me sleep in a tent in the backyard, and there's so many mosquitoes, so I really gotta eat you, Jimmy's mom. I raise her above my mouth like a sexy croissant. I let go, and she falls in, tasting better than Jimmy's perfect candy. She slides down my throat and lands in my big round belly. Oh, Jimmy's mom, you're so filling. I never thought this could feel so good.